computer.
Hey everybody, it is Carol and Laurie, and we are here to talk to you about the DIY learning community. Yes, it is DIY. That means do it yourself. All right, so let's take you through. Carol's going to share her screen here with you, and we're going to walk you through where you can find everything. Welcome to the CYSD 6-Hour Independent PD Center. You'll see it in your courses in Schoology. We've already added you in, and you'll find the blue DIY Learning Community folder. It may be the only thing you see in that course, so you won't see the other things there. Go ahead and click on it, and when you are in the folder, you'll find everything you need to get started. So there's a to-do document that's going to walk you through the details of getting started. We ask that you go ahead and turn on the notifications to receive updates for this course, because truth is, you're going to want to hear from us. We'll send out reminders occasionally. How about it, Carol?
Yep, every once in a while we'll send out a reminder just to make sure everybody is remembering to keep progressing. And then we'll also have some discussions and activities here we're going to look at in just a moment.
All right, we have no idea what anybody signed up to do. What are your hopes and dreams for this learning community? So we've shared some professional development opportunities that are out there, things that you can look for and find if you'd really like to. You can use this time as you see fit to meet that goal. And the reason that we have this learning community is that those people who are in unique jobs or just have something that you're really passionate about seeing happen in your classroom, and you want to take the time to learn more about that, you can. You don't have to be part of a larger group. You can take those things that are something that you're independently working on, or you may be working with a buddy, someone else who has the same interest for the next school year. In the folder, the first task that you have once you've decided what you're going to do is to share your goals. Share your goals with the group. This is a discussion. And so we ask that you take the time to go ahead and post. That helps us know what you're working on. So if we see things that come up in our email or in our worlds, we go, ooh, that's perfect for this person who's working in our DIY learning community, we'll send them your way. If somebody else has that, you can. That lets us know, what is it that you are interested in pursuing? What are you hoping to accomplish with your 6 hours? And then you're going to keep track of that. So
you might even want to check out what other people post as well, because you may find that somebody else is interested in the same thing you are. So you might want to team up.
Absolutely. Once you've got those goals posted, the time is to do with as you'd like. We'd like you to keep track of that in the DIY Learning Community Progress Log. It's just a Google Sheet. You can click on it, go there, keep track of how you spent your hours, and then any materials and things that you've done along the way, you'll submit to an assignment that's also in that folder. We want you to make sure that once you're finished with that progress log, don't forget to hit submit in Schoology, so it's turned into us and lets us know that you are done. This assignment is just open. You can attach links, create a document, whatever you want to do. If you've created things in your own course, you want to link us back to it to take a look, that would be awesome. This is how we account for those hours and check off that you've completed everything you need to do for the year. The last step, Carol, when they're finished?
Yes, the last step is to make sure that you've hit to submit your assignments and everything. But you'll want to make sure that you save about 15 minutes, that between May 1st and 5th, you will complete your evaluation or reflection of your learning community experience. We have to do all of our attendance stuff by then, and then it will open up around May 1st. So we will send a reminder about that so that you can go in there and take care of that. Also, make sure throughout this time that if you have questions, concerns, if you're a little confused what direction to go, please email Laurie or I so that we can take care of things for you.
We are really looking forward to working with you. Have a great summer. And again, as soon as school's out, anytime you can start working in that course. We'll look forward to seeing what you are working on for the year. Have a good one.